In this video, we're going to tidy up the deck at the back. Hi, it's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies, and it's Tiny Tidy Tuesday. So I'm going to go out on my patio, and we're going to tidy up the patio. And that means taking the recycling to the recycling bin. This is a collaboration, and it's hosted by Sunday Dawn, and her YouTube channel is The Helpful Home. And there will be a playlist of other tiny tidiers in my comments as usual. I'd like to welcome all my new subscribers and encourage anyone who hasn't subscribed to subscribe. I'm pretty close to 500, about 50 more subscriptions, and I'm there. Anyhow, let's get busy. Get coat on, and we're going to go outside, and we're going to put the recycling in the recycling bin. Yay! And tidy up the porch. And I'm putting some garland around the railing for decorating. So I might get that done too. Let's see what we can do. Here we go, outside. And this is what I need to tidy up. Okay. This is good. And let's start with taking some boxes. I am just going to we've got our recycling and recycling bin. We have to hook up our recycling bin, because if we don't, the wind blows it away. So we put bungee cords around it. Safe and sound. And I got some shoes and bird seed. I'm just going to put in the house for the winter. And this is going to go down there. Well, there it is, all nice and tidy on the deck. All that stuff down below, well, some of it goes out to where we park our trailer in the summertime. We're going to take it out there. And some of it will go into a shed we're going to buy. Well, I'd like to get this barbecue moved up against the house and get the other stuff put away for the winter. And I'm going to put a garland on that railing as well. Okay, I've got my cord to tie it, my wire cutters to cut it off, and my scissors to cut the cord. So we're going to start putting it up. We have lots and lots of wind in our country where I live, and anything we put outside we have to tie it down really, really good. I found this plant cord that you can tie around plants to help them grow up straight, and that's what I'm using. I got this from the dollar store. And you can just cut it with scissors, but it's got wire through it, so you can put it on here and make the string as long as you want and just twist it around, and it holds very, very well in our wind. It's like I say, we do get lots of wind. It's that time of the year again. Decorate, decorate, decorate for Christmas. I know in our family I've always liked to decorate, and I like to decorate for all different seasons, and now that I have my own home again, I can do that, and I'm really enjoying it. And at Christmas time we do a lot of fluffing, and that's what I'm doing here. I'm just fluffing up the garland so that it looks pretty.
Well, we finished putting up the garland all around the banister and put the little tree in the pot and made it all pretty. And I put this faux snow, sprayed this faux snow on it to make it look wintry. And we've got these lights we're going to add a little later. Okay, here's the finished banister. It starts here and goes all the way around top of the banister right back to the house now, and it looks so pretty, especially with the faux snow sprayed on it. I think it looks great. And there's my little tree. That's an old artificial tree that I had. And I stuck it in a pot and just put it in the corner there. And I'm going to put lights on that too. And then on this side, we've got the banister. All done. Right to here. And when I get help to move this stuff, I will finish that banister. I have a garland for it too. And we're going to put lights all the way around, and I think it looks very pretty. So this area is all cleaned up. That was our tiny tidy, and it looks much better. And next year we're going to paint up this deck and fix it all up. But I'm very pleased.
I would like to thank Sunday Dawn again and the Tiny Tidy team. I love doing these tiny tidies. They're just so satisfying, and they get one of my projects off my list. So don't forget to watch, everybody. They're in my comments. And I'll say goodbye. Thanks again.